Yeah, Amaru.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. On today's video, we will be making Easter breakfast. My cousin had a procedure done, and we had decided to go see them, and I wanted to take them some breakfast and to make sure that they had some food and to rest and whatnot and spend some fellowship time with them on this Resurrection Sunday. And so I really hope that y'all enjoy this cook and clean with me in the kitchen real quick. We did a power hour as always, and so I really hope that y'all enjoy. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And on this channel, you get cleaning motivation, DIYs, vlogs, anything that a family does that we'll be showing you. So we thank y'all so much for the support, and we will see y'all later on. Stay tuned for the food and stay tuned for the cleaning motivation.
I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something. Rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. My babe goes lovey-dovey, yeah. Oh, my babe goes lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Every time yeah, when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Alright. real close look now. Baby, I'm versatile. Watch me when I come down. I make it worth the while. Take a real close look now. I'm gonna show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. You're in the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen now, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen now, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen now, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen now, there ain't nothing like this. Ooh, I know, you know, we kick it like no one else.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it, solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and let my head up like bomb.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us, because time is precious. We are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank y'all so much. We will see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all.
Bum,